This is one of our turnkey projects of poultry farm, which can raise a total of 540,000 laying hens. The farm has 9 chicken houses, each house with 60,000 chickens. With the development of society more and more large, poultry farms choose fully automatic laying hen breeding cage equipment, which is fully intelligent and automated. Automatic ventilation system, controlling the temperature at 26 degrees, which is most suitable for chickens to lay eggs. Automatically collecting eggs, minimize the rate of broken eggs. Our headquarters is in Hong Kong, and we have branches and factories in Ethiopia, Tanzania, Nigeria, and China. Looking forward to working with you. Automatically feeding, minimize uneven feeding. Our engineers have been working locally for a long time and can provide local, customized one-stop solutions of poultry farm. Automatically cleaning manure, which greatly reduces the disease rate of laying hens. Please feel free to contact us to get your exclusive poultry farm plan.